How to enhance your athletic performance naturally. Learn some tricks that will give you an edge during your next workout or competition. You will need caffeine, fiber loading, peppermint essential oil, probiotics, and compression socks. Step 1. Get a hit of caffeine before your workout. Studies prove it increases stamina for everyone from runners and cyclists to rowers and swimmers. A half a cup of coffee about an hour ahead of time is all you need. Ingesting caffeine before exercising can also reduce the pain of a workout. Step 2. If you're a runner, skip the simple carbohydrates and fiber load before the big race instead. One study found that runners who ate high-fiber cereal and fruit before running lasted longer and burned more fat than those who ate low-fiber cereal and toast. Step 3. Take a whiff of peppermint essential oil, which you can find at health food stores. In one study, athletes who did ran faster and did more push-ups than those who inhaled other scents or no scent. Step 4. Boost your immunity by eating foods with probiotics, like some yogurts, or by taking a probiotic supplement. They may not turn you into a better athlete, but one study found they might make you less susceptible to respiratory problems, like colds and flu, common among people who train hard. Step 5. Try wearing compression socks. Many athletes who do report less muscle fatigue, better circulation, and reduced leg pain. They also keep muscles warm. Did you know? Viagra has been tested as an athletic performance enhancer because the blood vessel dilation it causes may increase oxygen capacity, especially at higher altitudes.